Hey everybody, welcome to Cryptopia. All right, I have a great project for you today. I really do. It's a project that I've been holding for some time. I've been DCAing in for a very long time. And I think this is a project that, well, it should be on your radar, if not in your portfolio. Now, this isn't financial advice. Do your own research, do your own due diligence, always. No, don't ever just blindly listen to some YouTuber. But so what am I talking about? I'm talking about IOTA. IOTA is, for me, it's the Internet of Things. It's a project that is secure. They've been around for many, many years. They've been growing. They've been developing. It's social impact, global trade, digital identities, all wrapped up into one. And they really are... I think these are one of the crypto projects that will be here for the very, very long run. Okay. Let's be honest. So many crypto projects, they won't be here in 3, 4, 5 years, 10 years, right? IOTA is one of these projects that will be here, I think, 5, 10 bull runs, 15 bull runs down the road. Okay. That's just, so this is for me as a long-term investment. This is like buying Google stock, back when it was, pennies, when it first launched. That's how old I am. I remember being on the internet and I could have bought Google stocks, like with credit card, right off their web browser. I didn't, of course. But for me, IOTA is like that. It's one of these projects that will be here, 15, 20 years down the road. And people that get in now, even now, right? We're so early to crypto. We're so early to everything in this space. And IOTA is just, like I said, creating a ecosystem that will really, I think, thrive throughout this whole, basically, the world in the coming years, like I said. So do your own research, do your own due diligence. I just wanted you guys to think about IOTA. Come over here to their website, do your own due diligence, read through their white paper, and check it out. I want to let you guys just watch this little video here, just to kind of give you a quick idea what's their project's about.
In the digital world, we inhabit our own little autonomous kingdoms built around today's tools like email, messaging apps, or social media. But as soon as we interact digitally with others, we have to rely on centralized gatekeepers. For example, if two people use different messaging apps, they can't communicate with each other. Interoperability could be achieved if everyone used the same service, which would result in a monopoly. Email, on the other hand, is more interoperable. We can exchange emails while using different providers. But still, we expose our digital identities and sensitive data to centralized entities. At IOTA, we strive for a new era of digital autonomy. Imagine a world where applications are fully interoperable while preserving competition, where we don't rely on centralized gatekeepers, where we host our identities on a distributed ledger, giving us full control of our digital lives. This is digital autonomy.
No, it really is a great project, and I highly recommend you guys to come check it out. So, seriously, if you come over here to even their X page or their Twitter page, they have 273,000 followers. They've been around since 2015. But they've been around, like I said, they've been on Twitter or X since 2015. So this isn't some fly-by-night company. They're tried, they're true. So I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts. At the time of recording this video, though, guys, it's sitting on a 34-cent token price with roughly $1 billion market cap. This is a tried and true crypto. This is something that, like I said, is here for the long run. And this is still something, you have a $1 billion market cap. For me, this is a project that we could see doing, 20, 30, 50, in the coming years, 100x. You know what I mean? So that's just the reality. Like I said, I feel like this is the early stages of like a Google or, an Amazon or, you know what I mean? Like this is something that is still early. Like imagine getting into Google at $1 billion market cap, right? Just think about that. Imagine getting into Amazon at $1 billion market cap, right? It's kind of mind-blowing when you think about it that way. So, like I said, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know what you think. Are you bearish? Are you bullish? Are you holding? I'm holding. I've been DCAing in for years. Got a nice size bag. So, Cryptopians, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like and subscribe button, turn on that bell notification, and go over and join our Discord. Seriously, it's an amazing community over there on our Discord. You know, you get access to private sales and seed sales for amazing top tier projects. And if you really want to get truly involved in the Cryptopia community, get one of our Karma NFTs. Okay, our Karma NFTs are amazing. They're building a clinic here in the jungles of Guatemala. And apart from that, you get access to our VC group, which is private sales and seed sales for top tier projects. You get anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 in buy power. And like I said, top tier crypto projects that are launching right now, just before the bull run. So now is the perfect time to position yourself for greatness, and also just to become part of a great community to help yourself grow. You know, over there in Cryptopia, we have crypto multi-millionaires, crypto beginners, and we are a community that helps each other if you have questions. So we would love to see you over there in our Discord. We'll leave all the links in the description below. So everyone, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like and subscribe button, turn on that bell notification, and we do look forward to seeing you over in our community and Discord. Take care, everybody. Have a great day, and don't forget to smile.